According to Lori, her husband was born illegitimate. In his birth certificate, he was given a first name and the last name was that of his mother. However, in the blank space for middle name, the word illegitimate was entered. When Lori's husband started to attend school, he was enrolled and registered using his mother's middle name and surname. From then on, all his official and government records bear his mother's middle name and surname. Lori wants to know whether they can go to the municipal civil registrar where he was born and request for the erasure of the entry illegitimate in his birth certificate and enter as his middle name his mother's middle name as reflected in all his records. Lori, you cannot just erase an entry in a birth certificate and change it to one's choice of entry. You have to file a petition in court for the correction of entry in a birth certificate. In the case of Philippines versus Capote, GR number 157043, February 2, 2007, the Supreme Court distinguishes between an illegitimate child who is recognized by his father and one who is not. The High Court opined that an illegitimate child whose filiation is not recognized by the father bears only a given name and his mother's surname and does not have a middle name. On the other hand, an illegitimate child acknowledged by the father in a public document or private handwritten instrument bears both his mother's surname as his middle name and his father's surname as his surname. On the other hand, in the matter of the adoption of Stephanie Nathy Astorga, March 31, 2005, the Supreme Court held that what is certain, however, is that the Filipino custom or tradition is to add the surname of the child's mother as the child's middle name. We therefore suggest that you file a petition for correction of entry in the birth certificate so that your husband can legally use his mother's middle name as his. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us. It may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at ptvbatas@gmail.com. Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.